माँ भारती, समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMS Samachar channel from the international world as India and China get ready for unprecedented Lieutenant General level talks scheduled to IST in China's Moldo in bid to resolve the ongoing month-long stand in Ladakh. All eyes will be on General Harinder Singh, the commander of the left-based 14 Corps, who will lead India's charge at the meeting. Also read India-China ready to resolve border standoff. Here what's to accept from the military level talks. Today the China, Pakistan as the enemy of India, who settled the area of Karakoram and 26 square mil of Pakistan occupied Kashmir handed over to the landmark. Peaceful movement is going on from Germany. They held posters on with justice of George killing us and who next. Country security forces prevented 3 youths from joining militant group in Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir. The same 2 terrorists were arrested mixing youths. The Amazon rainforest wildfires. Year-to-year surge in fires occurring in the Amazon rainforest and Amazon biome within Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay and Peru during that year. Amazonian typical dry season fires normally occurs around the dry season as slash and burn methods are used to clear the forest to make way for agriculture, livestock, lodging and mining, leading to deforestation of the Amazon rainforest. A kalam is a type of pen made from a cut dried reed used for Islamic calligraphy. The pen is seen as an important symbol of wisdom in Islam and references to emphasis on knowledge and education within the Islamic tradition. Muradhar Devi Das Amte, commonly known as Baba Amte, was an Indian social worker and social activist known particularly for his work for the rehabilitation and empowerment of people suffering from leprosy. He has received numerous awards and prizes including the Padma Bhushan, the Dr. Ambedkar International Award, the Gandhi Peace Prize, the Templation Prize and the Lal Bajaj Award. He is also known as Modern Gandhi of India. Tripura is a state in northeastern India, the third smallest state in India, the country. It covers 10,491 km square and is bordered by Bangladesh to north, south, west and the Indian states of Assam and Mizoram to the east. Castrum nocturnum is a species of castrum in the plant family Solanaceae. It is a native to the West Indies but naturalized in South Asia. Morus alba, known as white mulberry, is a fast-growing small to medium-sized mulberry tree which grows to 20 meter tall. This species is native on northern China and India and is widely cultivated and naturalized elsewhere. The white mulberry is widely cultivated to feed the silkworms employed in the commercial production of silk. Dhanurasana, bow poses bending asana in hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The benefits of Dhanurasana is strengthens the back muscles, improves posture, stimulates the organs of the abdomen and neck. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of plasma with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via dynamo process. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on earth. The location of any point on a plane is expressed by a pair of value x, y and these pairs are known as the coordinates. The number line, which is also known as Cartesian plane, is divided into four quadrants by two axes perpendicular to each, labeled as the x-axis and y-axis. Cloves are the aromatic flower buds of a tree in the family Myrtaceae. Syzygium aromaticum. They are native to the Maluku Island in Indonesia and are commonly used as cloves are available throughout the year due to different harvest seasons in different countries. Prima Lok Mission School. From Prima Lok Mission School, exercise monthly exam begin 6th July. Today's event: Chocolate Ice Cream Day, VCR Day. June 7 is the 158th day of the year in Georgian calendar. 207 days remain until the end year. Why 7 June is important in history? Louis XIV is crowned King of France. The United States and the United Kingdom agree in the Lyons-Stewart Treaty to suppress the African slave trade during the French invasion in Mexico City is captured by French troops in 1863. Weather. This time between 11 and 13 May enter Bihar during the monsoon, but good monsoon ran far and entered Kerala on June 1st till its time. Today's temperature of Patna 26 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. Sahitya Akademi, India's National Academy of Letters, is an organization dedicated to the promotion of literature in the language of India, founded on 12 March 1954. It is supported by independent of the Indian government. Its office is located in Rabindra Bhavan near Mandi House in Delhi. Sports. Federation of Asia Football has given the right host 2020 Women's Asia for the first time since 1979. Today for that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।